In this video, I will tell you how to use Ubersuggest extension on Google Chrome. You will see my Chrome browser add Ubersuggest. So here you can see this is CPC already showing keyword monthly searches. Here suggest best to best keyword is ranking. Okay. So first you tell how to add on Google Chrome Ubersuggest extension. So I open other browser. This is here, click and here type search bar Ubersuggest extension download. I type it. This is here, click, and this is website you can go. Okay, and very simple, add on Chrome. After that, add extension. You can see here download. Okay, and this is icon extension, so click extension icon. After that, pin, click pin, and this icon Ubersuggest showing. So this icon again, click, double click. If you not open, so right click. If not open, double click. So first you search bar type any keyword, I mean this keyword type here, and again first time click and open setting. Go to setting. Here you can see I 2 time keyword search, so 2 time spend my keyword and 40 keyword daily research limit. Okay, and free plan this is. After that, next journal settings. So here location choose like United. So I choose United and again click and that uh, go setting, scroll down, up down button. Okay, use. Next is setting data consolidation. So Chrome extension on, YouTube searches if you need keyword, so on. If you need Amazon keyword, so on. This is SERP must be on. Okay, so total setting your Ubersuggest completed. This is setting and back. I like search bar on Google, type how to and suggest Google. This is how to screenshot on Windows. So I click and I want see this keyword on how many traffic, which country. So Ubersuggest tell you. Okay, and scroll down first, so volume. This keyword volume 368,000, CPC $0.04, CPC below but searches is high this keyword. Okay, country target United. Scroll down. I already country choose this United. Okay, and then suggest keyword related. This is here. Volume section, this is here, and CPC dollar this here, ST here, PD here. Scroll down in last. This is graph, so day by day searches is more than more. Okay, showing graph and traffic more than this keyword and this keyword, mm, better than this keyword. Okay, so because this keyword is searches volume high, but this keyword is searches volume low, but CPC high. Okay, so I target this keyword. Click here, easily target this keyword and show volume. Click yes. So volume 260 and CPC $2 above. Okay, this keyword target easily suggest Uber for you. If you hear showing uh, Ubersuggest green signal, so best to best keyword, but yellow I can suggest yellow point suggest middle, I mean traffic this keyword, but green keyword how to find? I type the second uh, search bar keyword and I want this keyword signal green is yes no. So this is keyword is signal green here. 10 volume easily target NSD 11 and PD 19 and CPC 0. No worry, what this is keyword is target easily. So Ubersuggest help you, and this keyword you add blogs and YouTube channel video, so $12 above CPC. Like this type you can find more than more the best to best keyword. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to add Ubersuggest and how to use Ubersuggest extension. So if my video informative, so like and subscribe.